Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smart band from the iPhone. First we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the iPhone that is paired with our smart band. So let's open it. In the application, let's tap on the device icon. This should bring you to the device page and you should see your Xiaomi Smart Band 7 on the list. Now scroll all the way down and find the Unpair button and tap on it. Then tap on Unpair to confirm and tap on Got it. The band should disappear from the device page. Also, it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. Now we can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, let's tap on Bluetooth. And here you should see the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device to confirm. And at this point, the Smart Band is completely unpaired from our iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.